Vanderbilt undergrad Tate Travellini has a job that would make most 8-year-olds jealous.
There you go.
Tate is an intern at a research arm of the Vanderbilt Engineering School called the Institute for Software Integrated Systems, or ISIS. He and fellow students are developing and testing unique software for the U.S. military.
To speed up the process of designing next-generation ground combat vehicles.
The team created a virtual design space where a new amphibious military vehicle could be built and tested on a computer.
Right now, it can take 10 to 15 years to build a military vehicle. And frankly, that's too long.
But first, they started with these radio-controlled cars.
We can't actually get a Humvee down here and look at it and see all the different parts and how they, fit together and how they all work together, whereas we can, have an RC car sit around the office.
This car has 4 wheels. It has an internal combustion engine. It has brakes. It's a pretty high-end RC car.
The interns recreated every nut and bolt of the car as a 3D model using software created at Vanderbilt.
Let's go ahead and start this simulation. It takes all these components and puts them all into one big package. And we use this package to put together our own car and test it.
What I'm doing right now is 3D modeling virtually. And what I'm doing is taking the instrumentation, which is all the electronics, and I'm trying to put them into a housing to protect them.
For many of the students, this is their first time working outside of their classrooms in a real engineering environment.
If you look into industry, that's a lot of what you see, is a lot of engineers from different disciplines coming together to build these complex systems.
With so many moving parts, communication is vital, both with the other interns and with the ISIS staff.
We all have to talk together to be able to create all these models and put everything together, because it's not just a one-man job.
It went well. I think the repair job actually went fantastic.
The students have helped immeasurably. They're debugging systems that haven't been used quite this way before, and just having their new set of eyes on a problem that we can stare at for weeks or months, and they can identify a new way to look at it, and that in itself enables us to get to a solution that we weren't able to get to.
And their virtual view of production will help lay the foundation for the next generation of military vehicles. For ViewCast, I'm Jenny Mandeville.